Replacing the receiver on the Orca H₂O ceiling fan by Arranmore Lighting Fans. Required tools: Phillips screwdriver and a stepladder. Turn off power at the breaker and the wall switch connected to the fan. Disassemble the fan to access the fan motor assembly. Refer to your owner's manual for part assembly instructions. Ensure the locking cotter pin and set screws are completely removed. Remove all 6 collar screws. Lift the motor housing and collar ring to expose the motor assembly and receiver underneath. Cut any zip ties holding the 9-pin connectors. Untuck and unplug the connectors by pressing down on the clip. Remove both receiver mounting screws. Lift and remove the old receiver from the motor. Place the new receiver on top of the motor, being sure to guide the wires around the motor collar. Align the receiver holes with the holes on top of the motor, and insert and tighten the 2 removed receiver mounting screws. Carefully snap together the 9-pin connectors. Tuck the connectors into the open space in front of the receiver. You can use a zip tie or electrical tape to hold the wires in place. Place the motor housing and collar ring over the motor collar and align the holes. Insert and tighten the 6 removed collar screws. The receiver has been successfully replaced, and you can now refer to your owner's manual to complete the rest of the assembly. Note that any existing remotes will need to be repaired to the fan after assembly. For additional support, please reach us anytime at support@arranmorelighting.com. From our family to yours, thank you for making Arranmore part of your home.